Bula, welcome to Learn Fijian YouTube channel. Today's lesson is on greetings or greeting someone in Fijian. Firstly, when greeting someone, you need to know your village and your mother's village, and of course your name. So we're listening to a conversation with one of my students, and then we'll translate that and see how you can learn and build your own introduction when you're greeting someone. Let's listen in. Bulubinaka, Navango Aisea.
Bulivanaka Aisea, na dhangu o Eroni.
Oh, Bulubinaka Eroni. Nungu koro o nambuna korlo mebiti. Awasui nengani verata teilebu.
Oi, nogu koro tanenga o Nambuna, o vasu I vitongo lotoka.
Bulubinaka, Navango Aisea.
Bulivanaka Aisea, na dhangu o Eroni.
Oh, Bulubinaka Eroni. Nungu koro o nambuna korlo mebiti. Awasui nengani verata teilebu.
Oi, nogu koro tanenga o Nambuna, o vasu I vitongo lotoka.
Bulubinaka, Navango Aisea.
Bulivanaka Aisea, na dhangu o Eroni.
Oh, Bulubinaka Eroni. Nungu koro o nambuna korlo mebiti. Awasui nengani verata teilebu.
Oi, nogu koro tanenga o Nambuna, o vasu I vitongo lotoka.
So now let's go into translating the conversation. The first sentence was Buluvinaka na Vangu o Aisea. So that's how you introduce yourself. You say hello, Buluvinaka na Vangu o Aisea. So you can fill in that name and put your name in. So more information will be on the description below, and we'll have the sentence structure, and you just fill in your name. The response from my student was Buluvinaka Aisea na Vangu o Eroni. So he introduced himself by saying Buluvinaka, addressing me with my first name, and then saying that na Vangu o Eroni. So that's basically a repetition of my introduction. So he greeted me by saying Buluvinaka and then saying my name. So you can do the same. Buluvinaka Aisea na Vangu o Eroni. Then I responded by saying Oi. That is you acknowledging what was being said. It can be said to be the Fijian for okay. Oi. Responding to the answer that you've asked. Nongu koro o Nambuna koro lo maibiti. Nongu is mine or my. Koro is village. O is. So my village is, and then you say the name of your village, and mine is Nambuna Koro lo maiviti. Au vasu I. Au is me, as opposed to Nongu is mine. Au is me. Au vasu I am from my mother's village is Auvasui. So in Fijian we say Nongu Koro, that's where my father is from. Auvasui is my mother's village. Auvasui Nengani, it is in an island, Verata Telebu. My student then responded Oi, okay. Then he said his village, Nongu Koro, my village, he said, Talenga. So Talenga is also. So he says, my village also is Nambuna Koro lo maiviti. He just said, Nongu Koro Talenga or Nambuna. So Nongu, my Koro village, Talenga also is Nambuna. Then he said, Au vasu I vitongo lotoka. Or Au is me. Vasu I, my mother's village, is Vitongo Lotoka. So for the full printout or the written conversation will be on the link below. Practice your introductions, put in your name, your village, and your Koroni Vasu, or where your mother is from, and practice introductions with somebody in your family. Vinaka, and thank you for joining me for this lesson. Bula Fijian learners, click on our other videos and watch them. Comment below, subscribe, and like our videos. Vinaka, Mode.